All right, what's going on? I'm Terry and here, Passive Income Guru. Listen, I've been getting a lot of messages today. People asking me, how in the hell did my customer turn $27 into over $8,000? The main question I'm getting is, What were they trading, and how long did it take to turn $27 into over 8,000? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Watch this. First and foremost, I want to tell you the culprit. Okay, the system behind the madness, my indicator, my system, the passive income guru indicator, as you can see right here, is color coordinated. Okay, I want to show you real quick. You see the red right here, that means sell, and you see the turquoise or green, that means buy. So these are real moves that you can use to, pretty much print money in the forex market without any repainting. Also, if you don't know yet, I have a promotion that is ending very soon where you can take advantage of my software, my passive income guru bot that trades for you hands free, and the indicator. So stay tuned. Now let's talk about how this account went from $27 to over $8,000. So number one, you know what tool they were using, the passive income guru indicator. They deposited $27. That's it. How long did it take? 2 days. Let me say that one more time. What? It took 2 days? That's right. 2 whole days. 48 hours is all it took to take $27 to over $8,000. And guess what pair they were trading? Drum roll. Yep, that's right. Good old gold. That's what they were trading right there. So gold is the culprit. My indicator is the culprit. $27 into over $8,000 in just 2 days. The sky's the limit with my software, guys. Hey, you don't want to miss this promotion. So the promotion right now is $1,000 is going to get you my bot, and you're going to get, as a bonus, you're going to get my indicator that's going to allow you and help you to pull money from the market like child's play. You don't want to miss this promotion. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to end very soon. I'll tell you right now. Okay. So here's a strategy that you can do. You can get the bot, right? Start trading with the indicator, get your cash flow up, and then put some money, start dumping money into the bot so you can make passive income hands free. So you got the best of both worlds. This is the best system, the best combination online in 2026, and it's gonna be like that for a long time. So if you're looking for a legitimate opportunity where you can print money, make legitimate passive income without all the rug pulls, this is it right here. Take advantage. Don't delay. Let's go.